Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing another cookie recipe, Double Chocolate Nutella Cookies. Let's get started. Take out small scoops of Nutella on wax paper and freeze it for 30 minutes. Now we will prepare the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a big mixing bowl, half cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix it all together so that it becomes one color. Now we will create our wet ingredients. So add half cup of warm butter in a big mixing bowl, 1/3 cup brown sugar and 1/4 cup sugar, regular sugar. Mix it together. And now we will add 1 egg. After we have mixed it thoroughly, we want to add our dry ingredients that we have prepared earlier on top of this wet prepared ingredients. And now we want to mix it until it becomes like dough, which we will later use to make cookies. In the middle of this mixing process, we also want to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Once it becomes dough-like, we want to cover it up and leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Here we are taking out the Nutella that we had freezed earlier. We will be using this as a filling for our cookies. Now 30 minutes has passed. Take out the dough 1 scoop at a time, flatten it and put the Nutella inside it and shape it into a ball. It should look like this. Put each of the pieces on wax paper and let's get baking. Now we want to preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake our cookies for about 8 to 9 minutes. Double chocolate Nutella cookies are ready to be eaten. This delicious sweet delight will have you asking for more. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so to receive our new videos every other day. Thank you.